All right, let's go over how to draw Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Very quick, easy for beginners, so let's hop into it. I'm gonna go right here and start with the shape of Stitch's head. So it's gonna curve over here, kind of like that. It's gonna be very egg-like because it's a little bit more pointed at the top, a little bit more round at the bottom. I'm gonna go over here to this side on the opposite side. Gonna do the exact same thing, just gonna mirror that side. Probably carry the bottom part across, like so, and carry the top across a bit over here. Right at the top, I'm gonna put that little grass, like right there, 3 or 2. All right, fuzz on top of the head. Over here around the face, it's going to be more than halfway down, right? More than halfway down. Draw a curve here for his very large nose. Curve down over here, up, like so. All right, I'm gonna go here to this side first, and I'm gonna draw the curve over here for the outside of the eye. Very similar shape, by the way, egg-like. A little bit of a point at the top. Curve around the bottom. That's the outside of the eye, right? That kind of color outside of the eye. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button if you like Lilo and Stitch, or if you like this lesson. I'm posting 3 lessons every single day on different topics like Sonic, dinosaurs, Godzilla, everything you can imagine. So now's the time to request a lesson, because I'm posting so many lessons right now because I kind of want more variety on the channel, and the only way to do that is to bring in more lessons for it. Curve over here around, so very similar shape. And then we're gonna go over here, so I would say about 2/3 into that shape we're gonna draw. So first off, this one's gonna hug the corner there like that. Go up here, down, like so. So that's kind of the eye itself. So the bottom part right here, it's really hugging that shape. And it goes about 2/3. Circle here, circle here. And before we fill that in, we're gonna go to the bottom of the mouth over here, line over here, line over here, curve underneath, like so, for that mouth. It's kind of content, has a very koala look, which I think what they based them on. Let's go over here, line 2 lines above the nose there to make it look like it's wrinkling or something. Let's go find that ear on this side. On this side, we're gonna go kind of around the level of the eye. So right at the top of that eye, curve up. It's gonna go up a little bit to the point over there. Pull down. It's gonna be a little bit of a chunk out of his ear there, and it's gonna continue down, and kind of at the end, it's gonna curve in a bit there. All right. Same thing over here on this side, around the level of this eye on this side. Curve over here. All right. Pull down, chunk out of the ear, and curve back like so. So far, so good. Like I said, if you're doing this so far with me, you know, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. I'm going to teach lessons all the time. I'm filling in this area over here. Hopefully this is easy enough to follow. You got to let me know. Fill it in over here on this side, like so. Cool. Let's go over here on this side, and we're gonna curve down for the body on this side, for the shoulder right there. Curve down over here on this side, pulling a line in, and a line in over here for the hands. Curve line here, right there for kind of like stumps for hands, like he's touching the ground. and line up over here. Claw, 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 right there, all right? Line across the bottom because he's sitting on the floor. Line out, line out. Curve for a foot in. Over here now. Curve for a foot. Circle over here for the inside of the foot. Circle for the inside of the foot on this side. Oopsie daisy. Curve line here for kind of the rest of that side of the foot. Rest of that side of the foot. Notch, notch, notch. Right there. Claw, claw, claw. For that foot. All right. There's going to be a color change. He has that like teddy bear color change around the chest area. And that's, you know, going to be good. Don't forget, by the way, I'm using this, an armadillo wristband, just to kind of talk about this real fast. I can put all my markers here when I travel. I usually use it for jobs. Like if I go do caricatures, I just throw my stuff in here. I can grab this and I can literally put it on my wrist. That is how crazy that is. It's arm-adillo. I'm going to put the link below. It's arm-adillo.com. And it goes in with Velcro. Has this right here, a kind of, you can put this around books, around your sketchbook, and it'll like stick to it. And has a magnet in here even as well. But yeah, just wanted to talk about that. You can put like, go, if you want to pick up one of those, go to the description. So let's go back to this really fast, and I'm gonna do the chest. So right here, boom, boom, boom. That's almost like the number 3, but like an extra 3 there. And finally, I want to throw a little bit of an extra thick line around the outside of the character. Just on the outside. It's going to give it that sticker feel that you really, really want, you know? Make the claws a little bit thicker right there. Yeah, hopefully, if you have any questions, by the way, as far as anything goes, let me know. Now's the time. I'm very attentive to the channel. I am going live a lot as well. So if you have anything you want to talk about, you can always tell me in the live, or you can just tell me right here in the comments, and I'll reply to every single comment. Literally every single comment I will reply to. So try it. Say, hey, what's up? How's it going? Doesn't have to be a fancy comment or anything. Just let me know anything, even how your day is, how your drawing is going, what are your struggles in art, anything. Just write it below and I'll reply or react to it, you know. But most likely I'm going to straight up reply to it. But there you go. That's pretty much the end. I want to thank you very much. You are amazing, okay? I want you to specifically remember that, and I will see you in the next video. Talk to you later.